Another gloves update. They shrunk again. You there, bag?
Hanging out.
Yeah. Got to show you. New sticker. In the wrong lane, you knob. Are you at the bottom of there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. There's a van coming. Oh, I didn't know you could do miles an hour.
Hey?
I didn't know you could do miles an hour.
Hey.
And you done faster miles an hour then?
Oh, it's full of cars, but
Yeah,
the bikers are going to be pissed off, boy.
yeah. The cars don't
You
really
stop in
know,
or
do
not?
they? Yeah, just go in and then go out.
Just have a drive round.
Yeah.
Here's your bit to park up, Baz, on the left here. Next to him. You park up in that bit.
Yeah.
So don't come out. On that bit there with them learners.
So,
Gonna go. Okay. Go to Sennon.
I was just going to say, Sennon.
Why are they waiting?
What are they stopping for?
No idea.
She knew I was looking at her. Well, like she was going to knock me out as well. What's going on here? We need to pull over as well.
Why?
The camera's overheated and not coming on.
Get out of this traffic.
Yeah,
Behind me, yeah.
yeah,
There's a lay-by up here that we can stop to do the camera.
yeah. It only seems to do it with this battery that's in it.
The vent's blocked up on it when you take it on or something.
No, it's I don't know what the wrong with it. We're arriving at Sennon. The camera battery's died or something's happened to it, overheated, so we've lost a load of footage and battery power. Look at them. What are they doing?
Look how much room the guy's got. That lady's just popped through in that.
Useless. Go on, Baz. Where are you stopping?
Just turn around in that car park, I think. If the queue wasn't big there, I'd get like a chip butty or something. Jesus, yeah.
There they are. Like the Monopoly, man.
See that, lad? See that?
Baz,
Did you see it?
I see everything. I think I'm wet inside these levers, by the way.
Yeah, that. Why is this cafe not open?
Might
Or is
be.
it?
Sun & Co Cafe. Thank you very much.
Here I meant, but the queue's too big.
No, it's not that big.
Not queuing to spend money, but look at that.
Oh yeah. Where to now then, Cap?
All right, no, Baz. Hell's Mouth Calf.
That is a mission. That's not
Eh?
going to be open by the time we get there.
6 o'clock.
Oh, it's 6:45.
Get a takeaway.
No, we'll go somewhere, but think of somewhere to go. Right, we'll be back in a minute when we've thought of somewhere, because we've not got a lot of battery. We've come back to Hale.
Standard fish and chips you get me. Got this little restaurant here.
We're on the right hand side.
That high. Oh, there's no one in there. You there?
Yeah.
Should have gone there, should have just pulled that outside.
Well, they were putting the chairs upside down, so are they opening or closing? Are you going to this place here?
Yeah. Oh, I know, wait, Baz, let's see if the cafe's open there. We went the other day.
Ah, yeah, okay.
No.
It's not. Remember the Breakfast Club, everyone? Breakfast or breakfast? Did I say breakfast then? Is there a car coming? There is. Oh, wait.
Surely that restaurant's still shut at 7 weekday.
Unless it's just opening. But I'm sure they were putting chairs upside down on tables. Not just on the floor for people to sit on the legs. Have you gone into Philps? Oh, you've not.
Yeah. Yeah.
Have you gone all the way round? Yeah.
We've gone straight on.
Yeah, I'm here now. He wasn't going to let on then, because he was cool. I forced him to. Oh, I forgot to do my salute.
Right, Baz.
It's what?
Might be right about it showing up, boy.
What are the hours?
Wednesday to Sunday, 9 PM. Do you want to go to that ice on the quay then?
Is that the one behind us?
Yeah. Oh, they did something up here, feed.
Right, you go in front then.
Go on, pull out.
Oh, I'll pull out alright.
Feed here. Oh, it's fucking shut.
Oh, you bloody Adam and Oaken.
Oh, yeah. There, that's where we went the other night and just sat on the steps with the dog.
That's brilliant, but what about tonight? Gotta go to
Just
that
go,
one on the...
ice on the quay there and just get something quick.
Yeah.
Oh, that was one way to be fair.
Had a one-way sign. I'm only going one way. Round the roundabout. Yeah, I do what I want.
This is a tight U-turn here, but
Oh, not looking forward to this, I'll tell you that for free. Even Philps is closed.
hey?
Even Philps is closed. Bloody middle of August. Look at all them doing exercises. That's the spirit, innit? Should have went over there.
We can drive down there.
Redial number.
What's she on about? What's she off her head tonight?
Right?
She said okay Google before and she's redialing a number or something. Right, we'll see what it's like here.
Oh, bump.
Oh, look where you've bloody parked there, or where you've stopped.
I don't know how you've ever rode without air plugs.
I don't.
Second.
Mobile phone 1 connected.
It's bloody tremendous, isn't it?
No, I've not got 'em in.
Alright, because it's only a short trip. We had a lovely waffle We had a lovely waffle, by the way. Now we're going to go and get some risotto. So it's just going to be a short one tonight, I think, guys.
Still going to yours?
Yeah, we'll just get a cup of tea and some risotto. What can final thought be, Baz?
Eh?
What can final thought be?
My final thought.
Yeah.
Out there.
What? The final thought was get your knee down on that roundabout?
Yeah. Didn't do. Oh, there's no traffic, but we've had cold tyres now, haven't we?
Yeah. You know what happens with cold tyres? Down the bloody road, boy.
Oh, I feel sick.
Why? Because of that food?
No, it's well nice, that man. That thing?
Yeah. I suppose we can have a second final thought. What's the second final thought? We always have a final thought at this part.
Police have got one of these in white, haven't they?
I'm not sure. Not seen
You know?
cheese. No.
You know?
Yeah, I'm here, yeah. Can you hear me? Hello?
Okay.
Yo!
Oh.
Crikey.
Okay.
Yeah? You're pretending? You're clearly pretending.
Okay.
Can you not hear me?
What?
Can you not hear me?
No.
I can hear you. What about now?
No?
No?
Well, I can hear you talking, but...
Mobile phone 1
No?
disconnected.
Yeah, now, yeah.
Because I was doing the volume and I might have pressed it, and that when you press it, it mutes it, doesn't it?
Goodbye.